tables back together. The reason is because I was going through the internet looking at modifications other people have done, and I found one that I really actually liked a lot. So I decided I was going to go for it, and here it is. This bad boy just came in today. So instead of modifying the actual mills table, I bought this bigger one. So I'm actually going to disassemble this guy now, and I'm going to use that one to build the parts for this guy. So that's today's update. Hope we can get more updates. Pretty cool. So there you see, small table, bigger table. Hey, it's going to be pretty cool at the end.